Are you looking to owning a property in the vibrant city of Port Harcourt, but you don't know where to start? Today, I'll be breaking the entire process down for you step by step to help you make informed and confident decisions. Whether you're a first-time buyer, an investor, or just looking to relocate, this guide is for you. Number 1, understanding your needs and budget. First thing first, understanding your needs and setting your budget is very crucial. Are you looking for a residential property, a commercial space, or a land? Determine your requirement based on your future plans. Once you have a clear idea, set a realistic budget. This will help you focus on properties that are within your financial reach and avoid unnecessary stress. Number 2, researching the market. Next, let's talk about researching the market. Port Harcourt real estate market is very dynamic and full of opportunities. Start by identifying high growth areas and checking recent trends on property values. This will give you a good sense of where to invest and what to expect in terms of returns. Number 3, finding a reliable realtor. Working with a good real estate agent can make a world of difference. At Gerrymandering Realtors Limited, we provide expert guidance to help you navigate the real estate market and find the best deals. A good realtor will not only show you properties, but also provide valuable insights and assist you through the buying process. Number 4, property search and shortlistings. Now it's time to search for properties. Use online platforms, local listings, or word-of-mouth referrals to find available properties. Make sure to conduct site visits and inspection to have first-hand look of the properties. Once you have a list of potential properties, narrow it down based on your criteria and preferences. Number 5, due diligence and documentation. One of the most critical steps is due diligence. Verify property titles and ownership and check for any legal encumbrances. Essential documents to review include the certificate of occupancy, C of O, deed of assignment or deed of conveyance, and survey plan. Ensuring these documents are in order will save you from future headaches. Number 6, negotiation and making an offer. Once you've found the best property, it's time to negotiate. Effective negotiation can get you a good deal. Understand the market price and make competitive offers. Your realtor will play a crucial role in this process by providing advice or handling negotiation on your behalf. Number 7, closing the deal. Closing the deal involves several steps. Make sure all legal documents are in place and are properly signed. The handover process should be smooth with all terms met. Finally, make sure that the transfer of ownership is officially recorded, giving you full legal rights to the property. Number 8, post-purchase considerations. After purchasing, consider the management of your new property. Regular maintenance, tenant management if renting out, or insurance of your properties are essential. Also, be aware of property taxes and other fees. Proper management will ensure your investments remain valuable and profitable. If you're ready to make your dream of owning a property in Port Harcourt a reality, don't hesitate to contact us. Give us a call on the number shown on your screen or any of our contact details in the video description below. Let us discuss your need, whether it is buying, selling, or relocating to Port Harcourt. We are here to help you every step of the way.